In this tutorial, I am going to show you a super easy and customizable text to image AI tool in which you can generate daily 1000 images completely free of cost, and also you can use those images commercially. So hello people, I am Vishwa and welcome to our YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, do subscribe and do watch this video till the end. At the end of this video, I am going to tell you some tools which are free and better as well. So without further delay, let's start with the video. So I have opened the Google. Okay, in the Google search you need to search playground. So this is that tool I was talking about. So playground.ai, you can see the first link. Just click on the first link and you will be taken to the website, and this is the home page of the website. Here you can see the work of the people created, different work. To start creating images, generating images, you need to first log in with this platform. So for that you just need to click on the get started at the right hand side of the window. So just click on get started. Okay, and here you have the option to sign up with Google. So I have already signed up, so I'll just click on continue with Google. And for you also, you will get the option to sign up with Google. So just sign up with Google. So asking to which account you want to log in. Okay, so I am logged into the tool now. Okay, this is the home page. So in the rising we can see all the images which are created by different people and which are public. You can see. So if you just click on one of the image, okay, let's say I have clicked on this image. So I have opened the image and here you can see follow. Okay, so in the playground we can follow people and people can follow us. Okay, so if I just click on this follow, so I started following this megapixels now. Here you can see prompt, and here a remote prompt image. Okay, so this is the negative prompt. Then you can see copy prompt. So if you want to copy this prompt, so we can just click on the copy prompt and the prompt will be copied. Then remix, edit. So I will tell you about this later, remix and edit. And this is the original. So if I just click on this original, so it will take me to the original art. Okay, so this is the original art and this art is created using that original art. And here you can see different values: seed, guidance, scale, sampler, model, created, additional credit, filter, style, that we will see in some time. Okay, here also you can see we can like as well just by clicking on this heart icon. After that, if you want to download, so we can just click on download to download the image. Okay, and it's free to use. Okay, we can use this all images commercially. And if you want to copy the link of this art, so we can just copy the link just by clicking. And if you want to report the image, so we can do that as well. And here below you can see more images like this. So different variations of the same image we can see. Okay, and in the my feed, you can see in the my feed, like I just followed this Nexa pixels. Okay, and that images came into the my feed. So in my feed we can see all the creations of the people we are following. And if you see the arts, it's really amazing. If you want to select search particular things, so we can search as well, as I told already. let's say I'll search Joker related, any images there related to the Joker or not, let's find out. So yes, okay, so if you want any particular image, so you can just search and you will get the result. Here on the top right you can see this is the profile and different settings are here. Okay, we will talk about this in some time. First let's create on this, let's click on this create. So you can see this interface. If you want to generate any image, so the prompt you write down here, what do you want to see. You can use a single word or a full sentence. So we need to write down the text based on we want the image to be generated. Okay, and remove from image if there are something we want to remove, that if we want that image should not be cartoonish or should not be 3D, so that all the details we can add in here which we don't want in our image. If you want, we can add filters as well, like which type our image should look like, so we can select that as well. And here it's image to image, so we can upload the image to take the inspiration from and make our image, or what we can do, we can just click on this pencil icon and we can draw as well here. If you want to draw anything, like you can see, we can draw as well here. If we click on this black, okay, so here we can change the color as well. Okay, and we can just click on done. So we can draw an image if you want that our new image should inspired by that particular art. Okay, so we can do that. So we can edit drawing, we can delete. Okay, I have just deleted. At the right hand side you can see model. Different AI models can produce different or better results, so feel free to experiment. Okay, so we have given here three options, three models we can use to generate image: Stable Diffusion 1.5, 2.1 and DALL-E 2. But the DALL-E 2 is not in the free version. Okay, if we try to use that, so it shows the message like this: you need to purchase the DALL-E add-on. And here image dimensions, like which dimensions image you want to create. Then prompt guidance, higher values will make your image closer to your prompt. So we can like increase decrease that values. After that, quality and details, more steps will result in a high quality image but will take longer. So these also values we can increase or decrease. Then these seed values based on our image get generated. If you click on show advanced options, so here are the sampler, the diffusion sampling method with which we want to use. So normally we use this method PNDM. So after that, like a number of variations you want of the image of the prompt you have written here. After that, private sessions, if you want that our image should not be visible to the public and should be private, so we can just click on that. Okay, but this also comes under the paid plan to purchase this setting across the sessions. Now let's try doing. We'll see burger dancing on a road. Okay, let's see. And we want, so I don't want in the 3D, so I'll just add here in the remove from image 3D. Okay, and here which kind of like filter we can add, so I'll just use this filter. Okay, poly mode, let's say. And any image to for inspiration, so I'll not add anything. And I want to generate I want to use this model only, Stable Diffusion 1.5, and I'll take the size 512 into 512. Then prompt guidance, so I'll just increase the value so that it will make the image closer to my prompt, and I'll keep the quality and details as it is. and I want 3 images, 3 variations. Okay, and I'll just click on generate. Let's say, oh, so we got the result like this, you can see. So this is not very good result, we can say, but it's good. Let's try one more text. Painting, let's say painting of Indian village in 1920. Let's say, so we don't want it in 3D. After that, no cartoon, it should not be like cartoon. And poly mode, I'll just select oil painting. Let's say, okay, so we got this painting. So this is the oil painting. Let's try, let's change the filter, and let's try this black and white. Okay, so this is pretty close. Okay, so here we can do different things. Okay, like here you can see, here you have options to create variations. If I just click on create variations, so I will be able to create the variations of this image. So I'll just click on create variations. You will be able to see the different variations of the image. Okay, so this is the variation. After that, second, this is not good. Okay, I'll just consider this image. Okay, and here if I click on download, so this image will be downloaded. If I click on this edit, so I will be able to edit this image. Okay, so I have just clicked on the edit. Now let's say, okay, so here you can see we have given the instruction. Think of a simple instruction to change the image, like make the dog a cat, or make it like a painting. Okay, so I'll just write down, make it look like a watercolor painting. Okay, let's say what kind of result we get. Okay, painting, and generate. Yeah, so we got the good result, you can see. Okay, so likewise we can, if you want to edit something, if you want any additional things, so you can just click on edit and you can add, like if you want to change the color, if you want to change the filter, you can do that. I'll just delete this image, I did not like it, so you can simply just click on this delete. After that, I'll just take this and I will try adding one more thing. I'll just click on this edit and add a dog. Okay, let's see. Is this a dog? Maybe, because if I see this image, so like some object is there, but here if I see, so it's look like a dog. Not sure. Okay, so likewise you can do the thing, you can edit and add whatever you want. Okay, I'll just click on save changes, and changes are saved. Now we can add image also to take inspiration from. Okay, So let's say I'll try to make a different thing. I'll just add one image to take inspiration from. I will just add this image. I have added the image, and I will change the prompt. I'll just write down beautiful Indian girl. Okay, and we, for the inspiration, we have given this image. Okay, it should not be cartoonish, it should not be 3D, and I'll just give the filter. I will consider this filter. Okay, let's see what kind of output we get. Okay, and I'm just clicking on generate. Before that, I just want 3 images and generate. Oh, you can see we got the result. So we got these 3 image, and the result is not so good, but this is good result, but those two are not good. So you can see the prompt take the inspiration from the image we have provided. Okay, the way she is looking at, and the she is standing, so that is the same as the inspired image. So this is the better, we can say. Okay, so I'll just consider this image. So we can just try to upscale and do the face proper. So here you can just click on this action. Okay, here in the action we have different options. We can edit this as well. We can copy the link to share with anybody. We can download it, input in it. We can use in image to image. We can use this image to create image. Okay, after that, to create variations, we'll create the variations of this image. Okay, okay, so we got the good good variation. Okay, this is good image. So I'll just click on this plus icon, and I'll just click on face restoration. Okay, so it will make the face better. Yes. Okay, so we can see the changes. So whatever changes we have made now, that will be not added to the image we applied this face restoration. So if you need this image, so you need to download it. Okay, if I see on this image, so that is not applied. Okay, if you want that to be in your gallery, so you need to add that. One more thing we can try. So icon, actions, and upscale by 4x. Okay, so we want to make this image better, so we are just upscaling, improving the quality by 4x. So let's say what difference we can see in it. So it has been generated. Let's say I'll just download it, and this is the original image which we have. Okay, so this is not that clear, and if I compare that with this image, so you can clearly see the difference. Okay, if we compare this both, so this is better. So if you want to see more than 2 images in the columns, okay, like if you want to see here one image here, second image here, so we can just change the columns. We can just see 2. If you want to 3, so we'll just increase the column. Now plus, and if you want, we can delete. We can view in a full screen. So likewise we can do. So this was all. I think I have covered everything from this tool. Now let's go to the home page, and here I'll just we can do one thing as well. So typing the prompt and getting the result which we want is little difficult. So what we can do, the best way, you can just look around the home page, which type of image you want or what kind of style you want. Okay, and accordingly you can copy those prompts and can use. Let's say I'll just copy the prompt of this image. Okay, copy prompt, I'll create a new image. So just create and paste and just gives, I'll just say none and we'll click on generate. Okay, so we got the image like this. Because I think this is just the prompt. Okay, we did not consider this prompt. I think this is not added. Let me just see yellow clothes and all. So that negative prompt is not added, that we need to add, then we will get the closer result. So yeah, so you can see we got the better result. So this was that image and we got this result. So this is better and this is beautiful actually. Okay, and we can perform all the different operations that we like I have already showed you. You can do that easily. Now if you click on if you just click on edit here, you will be taken to generate image screen. You can see, and if you want to add anything, so you can do that easily the way I told you already. So if you want to just edit the already created image, so we can just click on the edit on the home page only. We can do remix as well. Let's say this is the image. Okay, this is the image and I'll just click on remix. Okay, so I have just clicked on remix and you can see prompt here, this image, and I'll just give some inspiration. Okay, so I have just given this inspiration. So based on this prompt and this inspiration, Playground will remix the image and give us the new result. Okay, so you can see we got this result. This is beautiful. And what was the actual how was the actual image? So this was the actual image. Okay, so you can see the prompt and the inspiration, it just mixed, Playground just mixed it, remixed it. You can see this and we got this result. So the face structure is like this only, face structure, after that cloth. So likewise you can remix as well. So I have covered everything, like how to generate images with prompt by using filters, then how to use different settings, after that how to edit, how to remix, everything I have told you. Now we'll just talk about little bit about the settings. So here you just need to click on your icon. If you go to the profile, so here you will be able to see all your images which you have created. You will be able to see here, and if you like something, so that will come in here. After that, profile, then settings related to account. If you want to delete the account, so we can do that. Then join Discord. If you want to join, the notification related to this Playground will come here. Then pricing. Okay, let's see about the pricing little bit. So free for everyone. So you can see here, create 1000 images per day. So we can create 1000 images per day, as I told you, and we can use it commercial as well. But these things are not included in it, like fixed image dimensions. We get waiting period. There is a waiting period after 1000 images. We can generate one image at a time, and there is a quality and detail limit after 50 images, and we cannot generate images using DALL-E. But still, like we are getting 1000 images and this is huge. I don't think so anybody will need more than this. Instead of getting the paid plan, we can work with this. You can see pro plan and like $15 per month, and then if you want DALL-E to add on, so that is $10 per month. So what do we get in pro? 2000 images per day with stable diffusion, no waiting time, no limits on image, no limits on quality and details, faster image generation, priority customer support, permanent private mode. So these things we get. And if you talk about the DALE 2 add-on, so 800 DALE E images, 800 DALE images per month for $10. Buy up to 8000 DALE images per month. Cheapest option to create DALE images. So this is the cheapest option. Okay, so Playground DALE 2 is the cheapest option to create the images, and we don't get any watermark as well. Then request help. If you need any help, so you can go in here. If you want to see the Twitter of Playground, you can do frequently asked questions. If you have any questions, you can go and check jobs, privacy policy, terms of service, and logout. This was all related to the Playground. So this is the end of the video. So as per my promise, I am going to tell you which are best and free text to image tools. So I have already uploaded the videos on DALE 2 and Blue Willow AI tools, in which DALE 2 provides 50 credits for a new user, and every month 15 credits get credited. You can consider one credit is equal to one text. Blue Willow is in beta version, so now it is completely free of cost, but it has many limitations. So if you talk about Playground tool, which I have just showed you, which is super easy to use and have many options and setting available to generate the image the way we want. Also, if you talk about the other text to image AI tools like Stable Diffusion, Lexica.art, okay, but still Playground is better option as it allows to generate 1000 images daily. So the conclusion is that we talk about all the aspect. Playground is the best tool, so you can go with that. If you want to watch the tutorial related to the DALE 2 and Blue Willow, so for that you can check I button or you can check the description of this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then do like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.